Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the new iPhone XS, or I should say XS. And I actually have two of them here. I just received this in the mail about like an hour ago. One thing I would recommend is pre-order. You get it the same day they release. At least I did last year and this year, and you don't have to wait in a super long line. So yeah, I just got these an hour ago and I'm gonna unbox them with you guys. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys which ones we ended up getting. I have this little pocket knife here. First one I have here is silver. Put this box aside. And the second one I have here is gold. So we ended up both getting the iPhone XS, and Angela ended up getting the silver in 64 gigabytes. And I ended up getting the gold one in 256 gigabytes. I got more space just because I do videos and pictures for YouTube and stuff. So yeah, I got a little bit more space. He wanted the one with less space because he doesn't really use that much space on his phone. These phones are very similar to the 10, the iPhone 10. The only difference is the camera, and then there's like a bunch of other little features that are different, but it comes with the standard little booklet and stickers that it usually comes with, and this is what it looks like. This one looks similar to the one that he already had, except that it has new features, and we just kind of traded in. So that's what the silver one looks like. It comes with the little charging cube, headphones. I think they eliminated the little dongle, so now it just comes with the lightning headphones in here and just a standard charger. So I'm gonna put the white one here and unbox the gold one next. I like this new wallpaper that comes with it. It looks really cool. It has like purple and different colors in it. I'm probably gonna use that one for a little while, but here goes the gold one. This is the new color that they came out with. They just released this color and I thought it was so pretty, so I ended up getting it. Again, it comes with a little booklet and info. And this is what the gold one looks like. But this is really pretty. I love this color. It's almost like a reflective gold. And then the sides, it's like a more darker tone gold. It looks a little bit like it could be a combination of gold and rose gold. I love this color. So we ended up both getting the iPhone XS's. We kind of debated back and forth if we should get the XS Max, but once I saw it, I just thought the phone is really huge. I'm not like a big phone person. I like having a smaller phone because I like to like put it in my pocket, my purse. Sometimes I don't even like to carry my phone, so I thought a bigger phone would be a bad idea. So I just ended up getting this one, and you can see the difference in the colors. This one's very pretty. I love the silver too because it looks white, and I love everything white, but this gold one is just so pretty and different that I just had to change it and get this color since I already had the silver last year. So I'm just gonna peel off. I'm gonna peel it halfway. I do have some new screen protectors that I want to put on them. I'm just gonna set them down like this so you guys get an idea of colors a little better. So a few things that are different with the new iPhone XS from the iPhone 10 is the dual camera. The camera's a little bit different. It also has the Super Retina display, a faster chip. It has the A12 chip, which is the most powerful chip or fastest chip they've ever made or created. And I think the only other thing is the battery life on the new phone. And also iOS 12 has a ton of new features. If you guys want to see a video on that or a review on the phone, then just leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. So these are the screen protectors I ended up picking up. I got these from Amazon and they're my favorite type of screen protectors. I don't like glass screen protectors because I think they're just bulky, and I don't know, I don't really like those. So I ended up getting these. They're very thin and they're really clear, so when you put it on, it doesn't feel like you have anything on your phone. So I'm going to take a little time out later and apply these to the phones. I always like to put screen protectors and cases on my phone The last iPhone that I traded in didn't even have a scratch on it. I'm like very careful with it and always have a screen protector on it. So if you're a person that likes that feeling of not having anything on your phone, then I would recommend these. These are the HD Clear Super Shields, and again, I got these on Amazon, and I think they're only like probably like $5 or $6, so they're pretty cheap too. So yeah guys, this is basically what the iPhone XS looks like. Comment down below if you guys are gonna get a new iPhone and which one you're gonna get, if you're gonna get the XS or XS Max. But I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna go power these up and charge them, get some screen protectors on them and some cases on them so I don't scratch it up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.